I'm Mandy Hofford, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and I would like to show you my very favorite, the Norwex mop. Okay, this is what replaced 3 mops at my house and all of the chemicals that I had and the bucket and my indoor broom. So that's why it is one of my favorites. Little people and big people alike can use it. It is good to have it about chin height. And on the mop right now, I have the dry mop pad. It's very much like the finish of the dusting mitt, the Norwex dusting mitt. So it is wonderful for picking up all the dust, dirt, and debris off the floor. You can see here that I put a little bit of powder on the floor to simulate dust. You can really see how going in a figure 8 motion will pick up all of the dirt and grime. I put the mop pad at the end of the mop base so that I can get up against stuff, and so this end can either go underneath things like the refrigerator or the oven, and also can flip up like I'm showing you right here, and go against baseboards and the edge of the walls. So once I get everything swept up and into a pile, you'll see that I have some things on the mop pad, the dry mop pad in this case, and then I'll have a pile of debris. That's a full trash can. Forgot that part. Whew. So all of the debris comes off. Okay, ooh, so great, does a super job. And then I can continue to sweep or dry mop things up. And any pile that's left behind, I just grab either my wet kitchen cloth or wet Enviro cloth, pick up the debris, and then I am done with the dry mopping part. Now when I need to actually mop the floor, I get the wet pad wet with water from the sink. My little guy used to do this. Now he's not so little anymore, but he used to wet it in the bathroom at the tub, and it's no chemicals, so just using water was very safe for kiddos, but just water, and it's like an Enviro cloth on your floor. So you're going to be able to get all of the dust, dirt, sticky stuff, everything off of your floor and get it to the original state that it should be in, without leaving any residues behind for touching and taking into the skin or breathing. You can spritz the floor, you can spritz the mop pad, or like I said, in our case, we get the mop pad completely wet, wring it out, and put it on the floor and pop the Velcro base on. And then as we go along, it gets dirty. Well, there's no mop bucket with dirty water with chemicals in it. It's literally just easy to rip off the mop pad, rinse, and wring it out, throw it back on the floor, and keep mopping. So there you go. That is my favorite Norwex product.